अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सो आज हम एक ऐसी स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे जिससे अगर आपको एक पूरी की पूरी स्टोरी समझ आएगी, सो आई थिंक सो दैट यू विल नेवर फेल इन लाइफ. Let me tell you that the topic of this story is three questions. Once there was a king having three questions in his mind, and he thinks about it that if you knew these three questions, he would never fail in his life. So he spread his messages throughout his kingdom and promised that he would give a large sum of money to the one who will just answer these three questions. There came many wise men in his court, but no one could give the perfect answer as the king wanted. So he decided to visit a hermit, and he was living in woods. The hermit was so simple and only served the simple people. So the king left his horse and wore torn clothes or simple clothes. The king saw that he was digging the beds, and the king said his problem and asked his three questions. That would you please tell me these answered and told his problem. The hermit doesn't said anything. He just continued just continued his work. And there, what he did, the king again repeated his question, but the hermit didn't give any response. He was just breathing highly. The king asked for the spade. Spade is a weapon that we use in fields. He asked for spade, and the hermit said thank you and gave it to them. So he started digging, which the king started digging. And after that, 1 hour passed. The king again asked his questions, but the hermit didn't answer and asked for the spade that now you rest and I will do work. But the king didn't give and said that I will do by myself. He continued digging. After he dug two beds and 1 hour passed, he again repeated his question. And suddenly there came a wounded man. The man was pressing his fingers was pressing like this in against his stomach, and the blood was flowing from his fingers. When he came near to them, it was just fainted, and the wounded man fainted. The king and the hermit dressed his wounds, and but the blood would not stop. It was not stopping. And after this, uh, the blood was not stopping, and therefore the king and the hermit dressed his wounds. After that, they let him inside the hut, and the hermit was living in hut, so he let him inside the king with the help of king for some rest. After it, they all slept, and until the morning, they all were having a good rest. After it, when the king was like alive, he was just woken up suddenly. Before he could remember anything, the wounded man just gripped it like this to his toes and said, please and please forgive me. The king said, I have nothing to forgive you. What have you done? And after it, the wounded man said, I'm your enemy. You recently seized my brother's property, and this was all also my mine property, and you also killed my brother. So for the revenge, when I heard that you are going to this jungle, and I also left my hiding place and went to a new hiding place that was just near the jungle, and I was waiting for you that when will come, but the king would not, because the king was digging beds for the hermit, and he said that you were digging beds, but after some time you couldn't you just did not came. After all, when he left his hiding place, the who is saying this, that wounded man, after all, when you didn't came, I left my den, and I didn't knew that there is you a god. That security guard just wounded him with his I don't know what is with this. This would be like any kind of weapon. He just wounded him with this and attacked it to him. and just उसने कैसे पता नहीं कैसे अपनी जान बचाई होगी, and then he just came running to the king and the hermit. Where you saved me. This is saying the man who was thankful to the king. The man also said, please, and also thank you that uh, if you had not saved my life, so I will be like dead. No one will help me or anything else. The king promised him that I will give you your property back, and also I will show you to my well qualified doctor. The wounded man also promised that I will serve you throughout my life, and also I will tell my son or my whatever my relatives वगैरह उनको भी मैं कहूँगा that इसको serve करो, and inshallah we will just serve you faithfully. And then after it, leaving that man, the king went outside for the hermit where he was again digging his beds. He again asked his question, but you know what twist is? What the answer of hermit was? He said that you have already been answered. Did you remember what? Okay, if not, let me tell you. He said that the most important time was when you were digging beds. If you not have been dug at that or doing anything else to them, the man, if you will left my house or my place, the man will wound you and he will be killed you without making peace with you. And the most important time was that, and the most important person was me, and doing good to me was your most important business. Yes, and these three questions, this exactly was the three questions of the king, that who is the most important time for him, and what is the most important business for him, and which are the people should he listen to, and which are the people who he has to listen to. So these three questions were relating to them, and the king liked them. And also the hermit said that remember, the most important time is now, present. Whatever this present in present is happening, this is your most important time. And doing good to anyone is your most important business. And the most important person to you is the one you are with now, and you are with in present. So these are the three questions that the king had answered. First, what is the important time to begin something. Second, which are the people he should listen to. Third, what is the important work to him to do. These are three questions, and if you could remember it, so please just follow these. And also, if I had any mistake, so please comment in the comment box. It will be my pleasure. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.